Hello guys, and welcome back to another video. And in this video I want to talk about the Microsoft. I've made a whole video on Microsoft, Apple, and Tesla, so I want to recap that Microsoft video. And basically I want to show you guys why why I was bullish on Microsoft and how exactly the ascending triangle works. And this is a very nice pattern. I also want to go over with Apple, what I'm doing with Apple, but mainly Microsoft on over here. So this was a ascending triangle breakout right around over here, and usually we want to enter in at the third breakout. So usually how a ascending triangle works is we have A, B, C, D, E. Okay, so we have like three bottom supports where it touches three times, and then we have the two resistance. Okay, and the third time is kind of like the charm. Okay, so we enter in around at open right at this breakout, and once it does break out, we want to put our stop loss right at the support, because whenever we break a resistance, the resistance becomes a support. So this was our stop loss. Same we did the same with Apple. We had this stop loss right around over here, and when we entered and puts right around over here, this was our stop loss. Okay, so I'm going to try to make this very simple and teach you guys why exactly what I saw on this trade. I actually did not alert this trade because I've made a whole video on it. So we had this ascending triangle. This was our support, and then our price target was this wick. So we usually don't have wicks on the charts, so whenever we do have a wick, that will be our price target. So right around over here, this was actually a realistic price target, 0.5% move right around over here. And the great thing was that today it was actually Friday today, so you could have grabbed 0-day expiration and played the pump on it, and you could have made a lot because the contracts moves very fast. And again, this is our stop loss. But overall for Microsoft, I'm still bearish because I'm still thinking that we are going to be filling this gap anytime soon, next month, next 2 months. So I would always set a alert. Please always set a alert. If you guys want my TradingView referral link, the link is in the description, because you do need premium to set multiple alerts. But always set alerts. You could do SMS alerts, notify on app, show pop-up, send a email, so that you will be reminded when to enter, because you can always forget the trade plan. So always, if you set a alert on this trade, congratulations, because we got over 500 views on our video. So I'm pretty sure some of you guys have entered in on this trade. But overall, still bearish on Microsoft over here, and I'm still watching this gap down below, so please set a alert. And then as for Apple, I'm still holding a Apple swing with 20th expiration, and that is deep in profits, up over 50%. So our stop loss is right at break even, and I actually cut off 50% of my position. So please close out 50% of your position on here, and please manage your risk. Whenever I hit 50%, I close out 50% of my position and leave runners with a hard stop loss. And again, setting stop loss is very simple. I might make a whole video on it. But overall, we're almost at 2,000 subscribers, so make sure to subscribe to this video, and I will try to upload more. And see you guys tomorrow or in the next video.